everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is KonMari. Today I'm in my bedroom and you're gonna see a little bit of what my bedroom looks like. Maybe not, but obviously from the topic you know what we are doing today. I am bringing out everything I've got in my wardrobe. This is not my first time of doing this. I've decluttered my wardrobe a few months ago and I've actually given out so many stuff, but I still think that I have more than I really want, if that kind of makes sense. I don't know, but I still think I have more than what I really need, to be honest, because I've got some clothes I look at in my wardrobe and I still feel like, do I really want to keep this dress? Do I really want to hold on to this? So I was about doing that and I thought, you know what, let's just film it. Let me just do it for myself and for you. I've been speaking to some of my friends lately and they've been telling me, oh, they're trying to rearrange their wardrobe, rearrange their finance, you know, give out some of their clothes, give out some of their shoes, declutter their home, basically. And I thought, okay, have you seen this my video? You need to go see my video. So if you've not seen my previous video or how I declutter my shoes and tips on how to save money, make sure you click above me. I'm going to try and put the link above me, and so you can check the two videos out. You might want to check those ones out before you jump into this one, or just continue watching this one. Yes, just continue. And back to the topic of today, I'm going to be using the KonMari way to declutter my wardrobe. I'm going to read out everything I have in my wardrobe, put everything on my bed, yes, on my bed, and I'm going to sort out what I need, what I love, what spark joy. Separate the ones I'm going to recycle, separate the ones I'm going to give to charity, and loved ones out. And let's get started. Okay guys, let me see, I've got some on the bed already. I'm going to put the rest in. And yeah, oh my god guys, this is real. This is real, yes. This is real, girl. Come to my rehousing. I'm real. Oh my god, I can see some of my stuff I'm not gonna be giving out. I love this. I got this too from House of CB. So I'm not gonna be sentimental. I'm not gonna say because it's expensive or anything, but I love this too. So anyways, let's put everything on the bed. Oh gosh.
I won't make it easy for you now.
Okay, I guess that is all I've got all up here, and I'm already tired. I'm feeling overwhelmed looking at all the stuff, and this is me thinking, oh, I don't have so much again. Look at what I'm working with, guys. I don't know if you can see this clearly. This is a lot. It's still a lot for me. It's pretty much overwhelming. We're gonna do with this. So guys, this is what we're working with. I'm going to be picking them up one by one and thinking of the one that sparks joy. The one that sparks joy to me, I'm going to keep. The one that doesn't, I'm going to give out to friends, family, recycle, donate, you know, whatever I need to do with them, I will do. So starting with this scarf, I love this scarf. It's in this scarf that I got. I think I got it from M&S or so. I can't even remember where I got it from. I think it's from M&S, and I love this scarf. So it's a gift for me.
You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me, I swear. You would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me.
This stuff I used to love a lot, but it served me. I've worn it a lot, so I'm just gonna say thank you for serving me. I love you very much. Thank you, but I'm sorry you have to go now. Thank you. You have to always appreciate whatever you have, even if they can't talk, even if they don't have life in them. You still have to appreciate them.
I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break it. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
This art I got from Canada when I went to Canada. I love this art. Oh, this is so beautiful. Look at the beauty. The one I'm gonna sell this one. Oh, look, my boots card. I've been looking for this card. That's what happens. Like when you get to go through your things, you see things that you've been looking for a long time. This boots card, I've been looking for it for ages. I've got the pile of clothes I'm going to be giving out, donating, and I've got these hangers that I don't need. So this is what I have after the whole, you know, bringing out all my clothes and arranging them. I've got this wardrobe, looks like this. I'm going to be removing this storage here because it's serving purpose, but I still believe that I could put some stuff I have in there in the bathroom or somewhere else, or I should just transfer them to this particular storage to the garage. So it's going to leave my wardrobe anyways. So I've got my summer pounds, which are these ones. I'm going to get another extra hangers. So I've got these two hung together for now. I've got the blue and black trouser pants, and I've got my dresses for any event. If I need to go to any event, I've got 6 altogether. I've got the black evening wear, which is a long one, and I've got the short ones. This one I got from Fashion Nova. This one I got on my birthday, so I'm attached to it and I love it. The black one is from I saw it first. As you can see, still have the tag there. I've not worn it at all, but I really want to have a black dress, a short black dress in my wardrobe, so that will serve the purpose. And I got these two from House of CB, so, and I love them. The other parts, which are the jackets, are just my summer and spring jackets, so I've decided to just arrange them in my wardrobe since it's not spring or summer yet. And the my jeans shirt, so I just have the leather jacket and some other jackets, and just jackets in general anyways for spring and summer. This part of my room, I've got this two hung here because I don't have hangers for them yet, but this part of my room, I've got this hanger hanging out. So I've got my bag. This bag, I love it. It's a black bag, it goes on anything. And I've got like the tan or brown one at the back of it, which goes with anything. So practically I've got 3 bags that will serve me for spring, summer, winter. And these are my clothes collections. These are what I wear regularly, and you can see I've tried to arrange them in a color coordinated way. I've got these jackets which I wear randomly for occasions. I've got my jumpers. These are my jumpers here, but I've actually put some tops which I was actually trying to arrange them in a color coordinated way, so that's why I have my jumpers and my tops together. So I'm quite happy that I have the white, I have brown, I have gray, pink, berries, black, and multicolored. So the wardrobe is not boring at all. And and I've got my skirt at the back of it. So basically these are what I wear regularly to church, school run, shopping, and any other places I need to go to. So I've got those ones out that I can see easily. The other part of my wardrobe to wear, and this box is here, my jeans. I've got the blue jeans, black and white jeans, and I've got my summer wears in the other one. So I've got all these clothes I'm going to be donating to charity. And yeah, practically what you want to do is bring out all your clothes on your bed or on the floor. You have to hold on to the clothes that spark joy to you, that brings you joy, clothes that makes you feel when you wear them, you know what I mean, you feel like, yes, this is me, I look pretty, I look beautiful. You want to hold on to those clothes, and the ones that don't spark joy, you want to give them out to charity or to loved ones, recycle them. So you might want to try, I know that it's a bit overwhelming for some people, like putting everything on the bed. You could start up by sectioning them, by starting with your dresses or your jeans or your shirts. Just start from somewhere and bring out the ones that hold, that are worn out, that you've had for a long time, that you don't really love, or they're too small for you, or you know, things that you've been holding on to and you know you don't really need. Start, you know, little by little, pull them out of the wardrobe. By so doing, before you know it, the wardrobes will be, the clothes in the wardrobe will keep reducing. It's not everyone that has that time to bring out all the clothes, put them on the bed or put them on the floor, and then, you know, go through all the process, because trust me, it takes time, it takes hours. And as mothers, we have kids to look after, we have our home to look after, so it could be quite overwhelming. But little tips is, you could dedicate like 10 to 30 minutes of your day, of your time every day, to go through your things, to see. Start from one section. You could start from your top, like I said earlier on, and see the tops you don't really need, that worn out, blah blah blah, and you know, you sort that one out. The following day or 2 days later, you could move to the next section. Before you know it, you will be pretty done in, you know, probably like 3 weeks or so. It's a way to, you know, just give yourself that peace of mind. You'll be so happy, your room will look very tidy, you have this, you know, joy in you whenever you're going into your room. It's just another feeling. I can't really explain the feeling, but when you get there, you understand what I'm talking about. Thank you for watching me, thank you for staying tuned, and I hope you've gained 1 or 2 things. Make sure you check out some other videos that I've done on savings, on clothing, your shoes, and you know, few other ones. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, thumbs up this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Be good to yourself, love yourself. Nobody can love you the way you love yourself. You are who you are. People have their opinion of you, but what is your opinion of yourself? Stay blessed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.